Miss Ehrlich here, and I am so excited that you get to watch this video today. Today, we're going to be working on what it means when we add 10 more or take away 10 less. So 10 more or 10 less. Are you ready? Here we go. So, if you start with a number like 23, and I always draw everything out, so I drew my 2 10s and my 3 1s. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. In this column, it says, what is 10 more? So what is 10 more than 23? Well, to figure that out, I drew my 23, 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. 10 more. I'm gonna add a 10 because more means we're getting greater. So I drew another 10. So 10 more than 23 is 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33. Because a rod equals 10. So if I have to add 10 more, all I have to do is draw another 10 and count it. It's so simple. Now let's think about what this column says. What is 10 less? So what is 10 less than 23, my start number? Well, I know less means we're getting fewer or we're taking away. So if I had my number 23 and I drew it, but less means take away, so I took away a 10. What is 10 less? I just crossed out one 10. So then I counted it, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 10 less than 23 is 13. I know it can be a little confusing, but we're gonna do 3 more examples to practice. And then you're gonna be really good at it and have a challenge question for you guys. All right, here we go. So 45. First, I wanna draw out that number to help me understand. 45. 4 10s, because there's a 4 in the tens place, and 5 1s, because there's a 5 in the ones place. All right, so this column, this next box, I need to figure out what 10 more than 45 is. 10 more. That more means we're going up, we're adding. So think about what I'm gonna do. I need to add a 10. So I'm gonna draw 45. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, but have I added my 10 more yet? I haven't. So adding 10 more means I just add a rod. I'm gonna add a 10. I added that 10 right there. This is the 10 I added. So now we're gonna count it and figure out what 10 more than 45 equals. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. So 10 more than 45 is 55. All right, now we need to figure out what 10 less than 45 is. Think about what less means. Less, we subtract, or we go fewer, less. Okay, so 10 less, I need to draw my 45. 4 10s, 5 1s. Now less, we already said was means to subtract. So we're going to cross one out and we're not going to count it. We're going to take away a 10. 10 less. Then we count it. Help me count. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So 10 less than 45 is 35. Now I want to ask you a question. Do you notice anything about my ones place value in the two that we've done so far? 23 and 10 more than 23 is 33 and 10 less is 13. Do you notice anything about the ones place? 3, 3, 3. The ones place did not change, only the tens place. Let's check to see if that's true for our second one. We started with 45. We had 5 ones. We added a 10 or 10 more. Did we change our ones? And in this column, we took away a 10. But did our ones change? No. So when you're doing 10 more or 10 less, all you do is you add a 10 or take away a 10. Super easy, guys. I know you're getting the hang of it. Our ones place stays the same. Let's do 2 more practices and then I have a challenge. All right, so this number is 81. I like to draw it out. Miss Ehrlich's all about drawing it out. It helps me. 8 tens and 1 1. All right, what is 10 more? Let's think about it. 10 more than 81. Am I going to add a 10 or take away a 10? I'm going to add a 10. 10 more. So first I need to draw 81. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tens and 1 1. But if I'm doing 10 more, I need to draw 1 more 10. So this is the 10 I added. Now let's count and check what 10 more than 81 is. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91. Oh. Did our ones place change? Our ones place stayed the same. We don't touch our ones. We just added a 10. 10 more. Now this column, what is 10 less? So think about what 10 less than 81 is. Less. Does that mean I'm adding a 10 or am I taking away a 10? Taking away. Good job. So let's draw 81. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 81. Because we always want to draw our start number. And then I'm taking away a 10. That's 10 less. So I'm taking away a 10. So let's count now what that equals. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71. So 10 less than 81 is 71. And our ones place stayed the same. Last practice. 96. Let's draw it out. That's my start number. 9, 10, 6 ones. 9, 10. And 6 ones. What is 10 more? What is 10 more than 96? Do I add a 10 or take away a 10? I'm adding a 10. Good job. So I'm going to draw my start number and then I'll add a 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I have to add a 10. So I'm going to add a 10. And let's count it up and see. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 103. Oh, 106. 106. I knew I messed up. It did not look right. 106, because I added this 10 right here. And if I wanted to, I could bundle that and make a flat, because remember, 10 rods equals 100. So if I wanted to, I could bundle all this and make a flat. Let's do 10 less. Remember, less means what? Are we taking away a 10 or adding a 10? Taking away. So let's draw our start number, 96. Six ones. All right, now we need to take away a 10 because we need to figure out what is 10 less than 96. So I'm going to take away one of my 10s, 10 less. And let's figure out what that equals. Count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86. So 10 less than 96 is 86. And our ones place stayed the same. We only added or took away from the 10s. Now, if you have your hundreds chart in front of you, your 120 chart in front of you, I'm going to show you how you could use that to help you figure out what 10 more and 10 less is. So, if I have the number 63, and I want to know what 10 more is, all you have to do is go up 1 because we're adding 10. Because we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So really, if I had 63 and I wanted to figure out what 10 more is, I just need to go up. 10 more than 63 is 73. Now if we go back to 63 and I wanted to figure out what 10 less is, I'm taking away a 10, I go down 1. 10 less than 63 is 53. If you have your 120 chart in front of you, it makes it really simple. But I always like to draw it out to figure it out. Let's do one more example and then we'll do our challenge. Let's say I have the number 48. What do I do if I wanted to add 10 more? What is 10 more than 48? 58. Good job. Let's go back to 48. What is 10 less than 48? 38. Good job, guys. All right. Let's do our challenge, and then we will be done for today. Let me put this back up. All right, here we go. Our challenge question. Listen carefully. Lizzie has 25 stickers. Stacy has 10 more stickers than Lizzie. How many stickers does Stacy have? All right, let's think about that for a second. If Lizzie has 25 stickers and Stacy has 10 more stickers, how many does Stacy have? So my first step is I need to draw what Lizzie has, 25. Let's draw 25. All right, I have my number. Lizzie has 25. I drew 2 10s and 5 1s. Now, Stacy has 10 more. So if Stacy has 10 more, do I need to add a 10 or take away a 10? Think about more. I need to add a 10. Good job. So I'm gonna add one more 10. Do you see the 10 I added? Now I'm gonna count and see how many stickers Stacy has. You gonna count with me? Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So how many stickers does Stacy have? 35 stickers. Great job today, guys. Bye.